In today's video, we are going to show you how to add the home button to your Mozilla Firefox toolbar, which is super useful if you want one-click access to your favorite homepage. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your Mozilla Firefox browser and make sure you are connected to the internet. Now, the toolbar is this small space here on the top right corner. This is the area near the address bar. Now, I want you to right-click on it, and there's going to be multiple options. I want you to click the Customize toolbar. What will happen is you will be forwarded, which gives you different icons, and all you have to do is choose the Home button. Okay? Then, all you have to do is click and drag it up to the toolbar you want it to. For example, we're going to put it right here. Release the mouse, and as you can see, the Home button has been added on your toolbar. Now, if you want to remove the home button again, all I have to do is right click. As you can see, you have multiple options here. If you want to remove from toolbar, you can do so. And that's how easy it is to add a home button on Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.